Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to tell the difference between a spinach leaf and an arugula leaf. Now, spinach and arugula can look really similar, but they taste really different. Arugula has a much more peppery flavor, and if you really just want the neutral spinach flavor, then you really don't want to mix it up with the arugula. Now, there's quite a bit of genetic diversity even among spinach leaves and among arugula leaves. So first I'm going to show you a couple where the difference is really obvious. Now this spinach leaf, you see, it has much smoother edges. You know, it's almost a nice oval there. While the arugula leaf, you see, it's got a lot of kind of little side leaves to it. So it's much more complex shape than the spinach leaf. Most arugula also, here's another arugula leaf that is a little harder to tell from a spinach leaf, but you see it still has these contours here, it dips in. And this spinach leaf is ripped, and often you'll find ripped spinach leaves, so the rips can make it look like arugula. But from these two, you can also see that arugula tends to be lighter in color than spinach. Although, as I said, there's a considerable amount of genetic diversity in this arugula leaf. Is almost the same color as the spinach. Now, when all else fails, you know, we have five senses, so you can always just taste it. And that is how you tell the difference between a spinach leaf and an arugula leaf.